Hey Isabella, today we are looking at independent events. So on Thursday, you looked at related events, and that's where the things were connected. But today we're looking at independent events where one outcome does not affect the other event. And sometimes you can't do something if you're already doing one. So it's sort of affecting the chance outcomes. You'll just have to excuse the drilling noises. My deck's getting built this afternoon. So if we have a look here, so it says, can I toss two coins and get a head and a tail? Well, we can. If we toss two coins at the same time, we can't. It's not certain that one of the coins will land on heads, and it's not certain that one will land on tails, but it is possible. But tossing these coins happens independently and their outcomes are not affected by each other. So if we toss two coins, the possible outcomes could be head and tail, tail and tail, or tail and head. Each coin has an equal chance of being a head or a tail. So sometimes events are independent. It doesn't matter what the other one is. That will not affect the chance outcome of the second event. So let's look at these events. Describe these events as possible or impossible. You can run and swim at the same time. Well, that's impossible. I can have two coins to toss. One will come up heads and the other tails. That is possible. I can spin blue and red on a spinner at the same time. Well, no, that's not possible if you've only got one spinner. And I can eat my lunch while listening to a story. That is possible. Then you've got to answer some questions about these spinners, about these bags. Make sure you read the question carefully. And then you're going to do an experiment 40 times and keep a tally of your results. So you're going to need some green, red, blue, yellow counters. Or if you don't have that, you might like to cut up some pieces of paper and label them. And you're going to tally them as to what gets drawn out. Then there's two problem-solving questions here. And that's your task for today.